Hi everybody, here we are at the end of our second week of off-site learning, and we're finally starting to get some traction. You might even say that we've got a little bit of a digital fellowship going.
You need people of intelligence on this sort of mission, quest, thing.
Well, we've all been sort of thrust into this situation that we find ourselves in, and you might be a little bit unsure of what to expect from me as your teacher. And now that you find yourself here, you might be thinking,
we have no choice but to trust him.
And I would tend to agree with you.
It is a strange fate that we should suffer so much fear and doubt over so small a thing.
Even though some of you are starting to get the hang of things, there might still be some anxiety out there with some students thinking,
I cannot do this alone.
Especially since the end of the marking period is fast approaching and time is getting short.
Time? What time do you think we have?
And that always brings up questions about grades. Yet, I know, but to be honest with you,
The shadow under threat has been growing in my mind. Something draws near. I can feel it.
some students are concerned, and rightfully so. They're emailing me and asking,
What must I do?
I would even bet that many of you are worried your teachers are going to be like,
You shall not pass!
which literally has you screaming. But look, here's the takeaway. Being true to your own learning, that's the key to moving forward.
This task was appointed to you, and if you do not find a way, no one will.
And your efforts, they should all be commended. You've been bearing a great deal more responsibility because of this whole distance, and you're still going. Any other lingering uncertainty surrounding where we go from here just prompts me to ask,
Are you frightened?
but if I were honest,
I'm glad you're with me.
because we're going to make it through this together. Some of you are really missing the comfort and familiarity of the traditional face-to-face classroom.
I wish none of this had happened.
To which I'm compelled to say,
So do all who live to see such times.
because when it comes right down to it,
All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us.
and we still have some time left in the marking period, the year for that matter. So let's make the most of it. I'll see you next week, everybody.
The world is changed. I feel it in the water. I feel it in the earth. I smell it in the air. Much that once was is lost, for none now live who remember it.